Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to Basmala Arabic YouTube channel. I would like to teach you today how to ask time in Arabic language. Okay? If you are working in any Arab countries like UAE, Qatar, Saudi, or any other places, you will get a lot of contexts to speak with your boss or your friends, colleagues, or any other people. The main problem is you cannot speak with them easily and fluently. Inshallah, this Arabic channel, Basmala Arabic channel, will help you to speak Arabic easily. Okay, today we are going to discuss how to ask time in Arabic language. As you know, in English we ask, what is the time? What is the time? In Arabic, kam as-sa'a. Together, we can read it together. Kam is-sa'a. Kam is-sa'a. What is the time? The answer is, the time is 1 o'clock. As-sa'a al-wahida. The time is 1 o'clock. You should add everywhere as-sa'a. In the beginning, you can see here, everywhere we added as-sa'a. Then the number, al-wahida. Al-wahida means 1 o'clock, 1. Okay, al-wahida 1. As-sa'a al-wahida 1 o'clock. As-sa'a al-thaniya 2 o'clock. The time is 2 o'clock. Al-thaniya, its pronunciation is like Athaniya, there is no this similar letter in English language, but in English we use instead of this letter th, like tha. As-sa'a athaniya. The time is 2 o'clock. Next one is, third one is as-sa'a thalitha. As-sa'a thalitha, 3 o'clock. As-sa'a al-rabi'a, 4 o'clock. As-sa'a al-khamisa, 5 o'clock. As-sa'a as-sadisa, 6 o'clock. As-sa'a as-sabi'a, 7 o'clock. As-sa'a al-thamina, 8 o'clock. As-sa'a al-tasi'a, 9 o'clock. As-sa'a al-ashira, 10 o'clock. As-sa'a al-hadiyata ashara, 11 o'clock. As-sa'a al-thaniyata ashara, 12 o'clock. Okay, the question is, kam is-sa'a. Actually, kam means how many or how much. When it is coming in the case of time, it will be what is the time. Kam is-sa'a means what is the time. The answer is, first you have to add as-sa'a, then the number. As-sa'a al-wahida, al-thaniya, al-thalitha, al-rabi'a, al-khamisa, al-sadisa, al-sabi'a, al-thamina, al-tasi'a, al-ashira, al-hadiyata ashara, al-thaniyata ashara. Okay, inshallah we will meet again with a new video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.